Vinca Plant shows you lots of blooms, if you provided a good fertilizer at the right time. Vinca Plant is a flowering plant that produces flowers almost all around the year. But the main time of its maximum growth is in the summer season. If you fertilize your Vinca flowers in the summer season when it is growing very fastly, then the fertilizer also works very efficiently. Therefore, in this video I am going to show you the best fertilizer for Vinca plants, so keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. For fertilizing your Vinca plants, there are some important points that you have to keep in your mind, so this fertilizer works very efficiently and gives you lots of Vinca flowers. Vinca plant loves a slightly acidic soil that enhances its growth and flowering. Therefore we need some ingredients that makes the soil a little acidic for the Vinca plant. So let's make the best fertilizer for Vinca plant that enhances its growth as well as blooming. The first ingredient that have acidic effects and very helpful to grow Vinca flowers is the tea wastes. I am using a tablespoon of dried tea wastes. Tea wastes is a very good source of nitrogen. And it also have many micronutrients that helps the Vinca plant to grow fastly. The second component is known as Vermi-Compost, that is a very good source of micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, calcium, iron, and many others. You can buy Vermi-Compost from the description link, or you can also make it at home. I am adding a link in the I button that shows you the whole method of making compost from kitchen wastes. Compost plays a very important role in the growth of Vinca plant, so must add a cup of compost in this fertilizer. The next ingredient helps the Vinca plant to grow multiple new branches that makes the plant more blooming. It is known as leaf compost that I have made at home using dry leaves. I am adding its video in the description and I button, you should watch that video. Leaf compost is very much beneficial for the flowering plants. Leaf compost also enhance the color of Vinca flowers. Must use a handful of leaf compost in this fertilizer. Now you have to add a liter of water in this container. And stir it properly. Leave this plastic bucket in the shady area for 3 to 4 days. After 4 days, now our organic fertilizer for Vinca plant is ready to apply. Dig the upper layer of soil using any tool. It helps the liquid to absorb in the roots. Take a cup of this liquid fertilizer and add more water in it. You can apply this fertilizer on your Vinca plants in the whole growing season, with 15 days of intervals. You can add up to 200 milliliters of this diluted fertilizer in each 8 inches pot. This fertilizer makes the Vinca plant more blooming and healthful. So this is the video that you can follow to fertilize your Vinca plants. And if you don't know how to properly take care of a Vinca plant, including soil mix, hot, sunlight requirement, watering, etc., you should watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notified.